Social Media Marketing Course. There is an assumption that social traffic, regardless of which platform it comes from and regardless of how you qualify that traffic, converts to sales readily. Sadly, none of these assumptions are true. Social media marketing can be automated. It can be mastered to the point where it can produce income after you've set it. You need to be visible on the 4 major social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Pinterest. Taken together, the traffic volume you can get from these 4 platforms is mind-blowing. With this video course you will learn all the tips and tricks for getting traffic on those platforms. Topics covered: social media marketing, an overview. 8 reasons why SM marketing is essential. Manage SM marketing campaign depending on your online business. Steps to quicker and easier modern SM marketing. And much more.